This is what happens when you mix glitter, mica powder, and mica flakes. Absolutely stunning.
Hello everyone and welcome to BCCArts Studio. I'm Billy. So last week I did a video on the different effects with glitters, mica powders, and mica flakes. Today I'm going to make some jewelry out of those pieces. So I have some white Primo and I have some black Primo from Sculpey. And I'm going to take my pieces that I have. This is the fine glitter from last week. And I'm going to start to tear all of these up. And we are going to make some torn jewelry. So I'm just going to tear up every piece and you can watch. It'll be sped up. I may not use all of this, but
If you have not seen the previous video and you would like to see how I make these effects, I will leave it in the description below.
So I'm going to place the black on the white and the white on the black. And I'm going to layer them. Okay, we're going to get set up for the next step. Okay, so the next step is we want to roll these out against the grain. So I layered them, I turned them around and I layered them this way. So here's the top, here's the bottom. I want to roll it out that way against the grain. So I'm going to move one off to the side for now and grab my paper and I'm going to roll it out. And I'm only going to do this a little bit. Then I'm going to put it through the pasta machine. So you have that effect. So now I'm going to put this through the pasta machine. And when I put it through the pasta machine, I want it to go in this way. So this will be the start and it'll go in this way. So that is on the thickest setting. So what we need to do now is we need to varnish it. So I'm going to do that. We need to varnish it to get rid of all those blended or those lines and get them all blended. And I'm just using my fingers. You can use a burnishing tool, you can use your roller, you can use anything to varnish. And we still got some work to do. Okay, And that's what we get. A little bubble in there, I think. Okay, we're going to set that off to the side and do the white. Same steps. A little bit right there. We're just trying to blend those lines. All right. Now we have our pieces all blended. I'm going to cut them to a uniform size. Okay, now it is time to cut out our shapes. Okay, so I have some heart shape cutters. And I have some stone shaped cutters. So I have a large So let's see. I'm going to use my heart-shaped cutter first. I'm going to use a little bit of water on my cutters to keep them from sticking. And I'm going to get a heart. Let's see, one of the big ones here. I'm going to spray it with water. One of the big ones over here. I'm going to do 2 smaller hearts over here for a set of earrings. My hands are all wet from spraying it. And let's see, I'm going to do 2 of these here and 2 of these here. So I'm going to do 1 of each of these here. I think that's where I'll put them, like right in there. Okay. Should be able to pull that right up. Don't throw your scraps away. You can always slice them up and put them together and make beautiful things with it. Let me put my pendant cutters away and I will be back. Okay, so all the pieces are ready to be put in the oven for 30 minutes. Okay, so here is our pieces, and I am going to coat them in resin, and then we will be back for the reveal.
It is time for the reveal. So at this point, I have not finished the necklaces yet, but as you can see how the resin brings out the colors on the black and the white. So the next up will be the finished pieces, complete finished pieces. I did notice after I recorded this set that I do not have the earring hooks closed all the way, but that is fixed now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.